Hello everyone, today I will guide you how to register an XM account. Before going into account registration, I will briefly review this Forex trading platform. On XM you can trade Forex, derivatives, metals, and many other products. XM has many features for users to use easily, especially you can use Forex market analysis for free. The interface on XM is very easy to use. New users can feel confident when starting to trade. Now, coming to the main topic of the video, creating an XM account. Click Open an account. Select the country you live in. Enter your registered email address. Set a password. Follow the suggestions to come up with a secure password. Note, use partner code CTG8M to get the best deals for new users. Agree to XM policy. Click Register. Check your email. Click Verify email. So you have completed the steps to create an XM account. Good luck! Currently, XM has the following promotions and bonuses running: loyalty deposit bonus up to $4,500 US. Be the lucky user to receive these offers.